Hello and welcome to the English Lab. My name is Natasha and this is my student Chris.
Hi everyone. So happy to learn with you again.
What if your next self-introduction doesn't sound memorized? What if it feels natural, confident, and completely you? Today, we are about to unlock a method that transforms your introduction from uh, um, to a smooth, fluent, cinematic moment. The moment where people remember your name, your voice, your story. Stay with us. Your English is about to level up. All right, Chris, tell me honestly, when someone says, introduce yourself, what happens in your brain?
Uh, Panic? First my mind goes blank, then I start searching for that one line I memorized, and then I forget it, and then I smile awkwardly.
Yes. Listeners, raise your hand if this happens to you.
Even I'm raising my hand.
Good. Because today we fix this. Today we learn to speak naturally, not memorize mechanically. Let me tell you a story. One of my students, Ria, prepared a beautiful self-introduction for an interview. She memorized every single line. But during the actual interview, the interviewer simply asked, "So, tell me about yourself." Slightly different from what she prepared. Her brain froze. She tried to find her memorized script, but the script did not match the situation.
Oof, that's painful.
Exactly. Because memorized English breaks easily, but understood English bends naturally. Today, we learn the bending method. Chris, and dear listener, write this down. We only need 3 blocks to introduce ourselves without memorizing. Block 1, who you are. Block 2, what you do. Block 3, why you're here. That's it. 3 blocks, 3 ideas. Not a full paragraph, not a rehearsed speech.
So, instead of memorizing 10 lines, I just think of 3 ideas?
Yes, and because ideas don't disappear easily, you never freeze. Vocabulary drop 3 to 5 words. Before we continue, vocabulary time. Repeat after us. 1. Natural. Pronunciation na-ch-ral. Meaning sounding real, not memorized. 2. Purpose. Pronunciation purpose. Meaning your reason for doing something. 3. Perspective. Pronunciation perspective. Meaning the way you see or understand something. 4. Transition. Pronunciation transition. Meaning a smooth change from one idea to another. 5. Engage. Pronunciation engage. Meaning to connect or grab attention.
These words actually sound useful.
They are. You'll use them today.
Hello, respected sir. Myself Krish. Presently, I am doing job in IT sector. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Stop. Listeners, did you hear that? This is the school textbook English ghost speaking.
It haunts me.
Let's fix it. Correct version. Hi, I'm Chris. I work in IT and I'm here to improve my communication skills. Simple, human, natural.
Hi, I'm Krish. I have one brother, 2 cats. My favorite dish is biryani.
Chris, why are you telling your life story? Save the biryani for later.
Biryani is important.
Not in your introduction. Remember, your introduction is not your biography.
Hi, I'm Chris. I work in IT. Thanks, nice to meet you.
And that was a high-speed train. Listeners, do not speak like a bullet. Slow, confident, clear. Listeners, I'll give 2 versions, say A or B. A. Myself, Rohan. I am working professional, doing job. B. Hi, I'm Rohan. I work in finance.
B.
Correct. And if you said B, well done. I'll say an introduction with something missing. You guess block 1, 2, or 3. Hi, I'm Zara. And I'm excited to join this workshop today.
Block 2 is missing. What she does.
Perfect. Repeat after Natasha and Chris. I'm learning.
I'm practicing.
I'm improving every day.
I love this. It feels like we're all speaking together.
Your name is non-negotiable. Say it proudly. Say it clearly. Say it with identity. Examples. Hi, I'm Arjun. Hello, I'm Priya. Hey, I'm David.
Can I add something like, nice to meet you?
Of course, but remember, keep it natural. No, just be clear. Examples. I study computer science. I work as a designer. I'm exploring new career options. Notice the simplicity? No drama, no complicated English.
So I don't need to say, I'm passionately committed to pursuing excellence in...
No, you're not writing a wedding speech. Be human. This is your emotional connection. It tells the listener your intention, your purpose. Examples. I'm here to meet new people. I joined to learn new skills. I'm here because I want to grow.
This feels like a heart touch.
Exactly. It shows confidence without showing off. Let's build a complete introduction for Chris.
Oh no, the pressure.
Relax. 3 blocks. Say it slowly. Imagine you're talking to one friend.
Hi, I'm Chris. I work in IT, and I'm here to improve my communication.
That was beautiful. Natural, clear, confident.
Wow, that felt easy.
Because when you stop memorizing, you start speaking.
So I should stop forcing myself to remember exact sentences.
Yes. Stop being a script speaker. Become a meaning speaker. Once you speak meaning, fluency follows. Once you master the 3 blocks, you can add smooth transitions. Examples of transitions are also, by the way, actually, and one more thing.
These make the introduction feel fuller.
Exactly. Not memorized, just natural speaking. Summary time again. Today we learned no memorizing. Use 3 blocks. Who you are, what you do, why you're here. Speak naturally. Add transitions if you want. Think like a river. Flow. Don't freeze.
Free your English. Set it flowing.
Now, your final challenge. I give you 10 seconds. Introduce yourself using only the 3 blocks. Ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Speak.
How was that, listener? Did it feel natural?
If yes, congratulations. If not, practice again. This is a skill. You're building it every day. Dear listener, your voice matters. Your story matters. Your introduction is not about perfect English. It's about showing who you are. I'm proud of you. Chris is proud of you. And the English Lab is your home to grow.
And hey, if I can do it, anyone can.
Thank you, beautiful listener, for learning and growing with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the English Lab for more knowledge to learn English speaking skills.